recently, a subscriber of mine over in America who's got back to biking for the first time in 15 years asked me what products I use to look after my gear and my bike. So I thought I'd do a short video dragging all the stuff I have out to let you know what I use every day. So first of all, Muc Off snow foam. Yes, there are cheaper snow foams and they're more expensive ones, but this one really clings to the bike for the longest amount of time, which allows to pull that dirt off before you get there in a sponge and scratch the shit out of your bike. Once you've cleaned it, you need to dry it. I have a dryer which I'll show you, but you can never have too many super large microfiber towels. If you think you've got too many, you probably haven't. Buy more. And here's the dryer, a great bit of kit for getting all that water out of the nooks and crannies and your switchgear on your bike. You think you've dried your bike and you ride it away and you get covered in a tsunami of water. A real must-have. Once you've dried it, you're going to want to polish it. Stardust Eclat. This was recommended me by Dick Lovett Motorrad. This is what they use for their bikes. And since I've been converted to it, I'm convinced this is the best polish. For my visor, I keep this little spray bottle for whenever I go away. There's nothing worse than having a nice ride and having your screen and covered in bugs. Important product. For my boots and my jackets, just a fabric cleaner. Important product. You want to look after those bits of kit, make sure they stay in tip-top condition. Rain-X, perfect for your visor and your screen on your bike. The water just beads away, particularly on your visor when you're having to use your glove to wipe it and then your hands are soaking wet. Really important product. Another product I was recommended by a Ducati specialist, which is this DX11 for my chain on my Ducati. Phenomenal product. And lastly, a bit of Loctite. You think you won't need it, but it's best to have it just in case you do. So, that's the products I'd use. What's in your garage?